What's up guys, my name is Amber and today I'm going to be running through all of my products in my life that have been completely essential to me. There's going to be all types of things in here, things that relate to like my physical health, my hair, my skincare, my favorite foods, my technology, anything you could imagine, all my essential things. I'm going in tonight. Hey. So I've got a whole list here on my phone and I'm gonna run through them today. Number 1, no touching anything. What about the floor? You may touch the floor. What about the air? You may touch the air. What about this? No! Chris! Oh my god, I'll literally start with Chris.
Okay.
But that was a Despicable Me impression of Gru.
You will not touch anything.
I'm a theater nerd, what can I say?
Okay.
Product number 1, his name is Chris Peng. This little dude, we got him in Chicago O'Hare Airport, and I was like, I really want this dude. So we got him. And now everyone is obsessed with him.
And how'd he get his name?
Oh, his name! His name is Chris Peng, and that is short for Christmas Penguin. Chris Peng. I came up with that myself. No big deal.
Hey, what's that dude like with the hair doing back there?
Product number 2, tofu with hair.
Tofu with the hair.
One of our viewers sent us this little tofu block, which is so cute. And then I was sent these like bang clip-ons from a Did that look really bad?
No, it looked good. It looked really good. Yeah!
So I took them, spun them around, and then you give him the hair. Yeah, so him and Chris Peng kind of go together in the background of our videos. They're our mascots.
And it like makes sense because like penguins and tofu and hair.
And yeah, they all kind of go together. Chris is Asian, he fits in. Now, actually moving on to my real products. You're gonna be the one that fetches my products this entire video.
I'm not even getting paid for this.
Actually, we're family.
Ew!
Don't say that. This looks interesting. You have to trust me on this one. This is called rice water. I've recently been trying to use this as often as I can every time I shower because it is so helpful to my hair and how it grows. It grows a lot faster when I use this and it gets a lot softer as well. The way that I make this is I get some rice in a bowl, uncooked obviously, add some water, quickly rinse it out to get any dirt off, and then add more water, scrub the rice in, and then you get this rice infused water that's left over. Put it in a jar, let it sit out for a full day, and then before you shower, you get it all in your hair, let it soak in for as long as you can. I usually do like 20-ish minutes, and then you rinse it out. Literally, your hair starts growing so much faster. Your existing hair becomes so much softer. Because it's fermented, it smells pretty sour, like funky, literally. Oh my god! I should not have opened it. That was so gross. If the smell is unbearable for you, you can add like a drop of essential oil. We do tea tree oil if it smells too yucky. And then there's literally no scent anymore. Thank you. Next, I've got my essential candles. These are the most perfect candles. Anyone will like them. This one is from Bath and Body Works. It's called Autumn. It smells like mild apples and the woods. It's so yummy. A crisp fall fragrance that blends dark pomegranate with red delicious apple and juicy fig and notes of fir balsam. And this one is called the Volcano Candle from Anthropology. This one smells pretty similar to this one, but a bit more fruity. This candle especially has been my favorite since like middle school. If you want to know what my life has smelled like, it's literally this one. Next up, we have got the flip video camera. I own 2 of these and I love them so much. The fun part of this is that the video quality of these looks really old, kind of retro. A lot of people are starting to buy them now because the video quality is so much fun to play with. I got them on eBay for about $20 each. These flip video cameras were going to be the next big thing in the early 2000s. But then the iPod was released and that had a camera. So people stopped buying these and just got an iPod instead. And the buttons are so easy to use. It's literally just like zoom, start, stop, and that's it. And then it's just a USB to plug into your computer to download it. Next up for my essential products, we have got my skincare. These are literally the main products I use. Of course, it's Curology. We got the cleanser, the moisturizer, and my customized prescription formula. I started using Curology in June of 2019, and since then, I have not had to use anything else because I used to have pretty bad cystic acne. Like, it really did impede my general well-being. I could not focus on anything else because I was always pretty worried about what I looked like. I have some photos if you'd like to see the state of my skin. It's crazy because we started YouTube in like 2018, so we had a full year of YouTube videos up on our channel before I started Curology, and to see those old videos, my skin is in a completely different state. Like, I always had some marks all over my face. It almost looked like my face was bleeding because it was so bad in some spots.
Wow, don't put this in, but look at my face.
Okay, it's fine. You won't see it from far away.
And to see where I am now is just a beautiful thing. And I swear I tried everything, literally every product, and I was like, I give up. But that was until my sister started using Curology.
That's me.
Yo. I'd heard about Curology before. Obviously, you see like their ads on Instagram and YouTube, and you always see people talking about them and how it helped out their skin. But I was like, I wonder if this is true. Could it really work for me? Seems too good to be true. So what I did was I went to the Curology website, filled out some little questions about my skin and my skin goals, sent in some photos of the left, front, and right side of my face so that my licensed dermatology provider could see the true state of my skin and what it really needed. And then I only had to pay $5 for shipping and handling because it was the 1 month free trial. So literally just $5 to get these products that would help my skin out so much. It was like the best decision I've ever made. Best $5 I've ever spent, let me tell you that. Here you can see my formula. So you can see the ingredients in there. You can see the name of my dermatology provider. Is it Joycelyn?
Yes, it is.
Oh my god, it's Joycelyn. Okay. Joycelyn has been my provider since the very beginning, since 2019. Her and I, we really got this connection going on. She's always helping me out with this. And like I said, I started using this in June of 2019, and by July of 2019, I saw very clear results, and by August of 2019, my skin was completely clear, which was perfect timing because that was right when I got to college for freshman year. So I got to enter college with a nice clear face and nothing to worry about. I was so excited to socialize and meet new people. Honestly, I can thank Curology for a great freshman year of college because I was able to fully feel confident in myself and not have to worry about what I looked like as much. Because in high school, I was really always holding back because of my skin. It was always something I was nervous about. And with Curology, I just have greater peace of mind. This gives me absolutely nothing to worry about. I love it so much. And if you guys want to try it, you can go to their website and try the 1 month free trial. All you have to do is pay $5 for shipping and handling. It's literally less than the price of coffee, and I'll have links down below if you want to check it out. I was able to see pretty drastic results by the end of my 1 month free trial period. So I hope that you guys can try it out and see results too. So that's pretty much it for my skincare. Ashley, can you hand me my little navy blue journal and my tray of frocks? Please. Now carrying on with my other products, I have got the spiritual realm of things. So, I accidentally dropped it.
The spirits pushed out of your hand.
Whoa, it's too powerful! This is my manifestation journal, and these are my little crystals. I got all of these like freshman year of high school, so I've had them for like 5 or 6 years. My favorite one right here, this is called opalite. If you know the show Dragon Tales, this is literally the rock that they hold. So opalite improves communication and assists during transitions of all kinds. I love this little rock. I got pretty much all of these on Etsy a long time ago. And then this is my manifestation journal. Usually I'll just write a couple sentences over and over being like, I already have this. Like speaking it, yeah, pretty much affirmations, speaking as if you already have the things that you want. Usually I'll do like 5 sentences and I'll write them 3 times each. And it's funny because I've had this one since the beginning of 2021. And all the pages that I've written in, they've all kind of come true so far. Isn't that crazy? Next essential item in my life is Gordon Ramsay. Most of you guys already know this. This is the Hell's Kitchen photo. Hell's Kitchen and MasterChef are my favorite shows ever. I'm literally a television major in college, and this is my choice of television. Literally, my dream job is to edit a TV show for Gordon Ramsay. Like, if I could be the editor of Hell's Kitchen or MasterChef, my life would be complete. That's all I want, literally. If anyone can get me in touch with this dude, I would love to work on his TV shows, please. Please. On the topic of Gordon Ramsay and food, we've got some of my essential snacks. Starting off here, we got my vegan Nutella. We always get this on Amazon or in Whole Foods. Vegan cheese that we eat with crackers. This one's pretty tangy. Our favorite cheese is this one. Maple candies. This is a random brand. It doesn't really matter what you buy. But Andrew went on Amazon, looked up maple candies, and you get these little treats that you just suck on. Japanese ramen, chicken chips. These are actually vegan, contain no real chicken. They're just really crunchy. Yummy delicious. You find these in the Asian markets. And those are my snacks! And next we've got my hair care. These are my shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty. My conditioner that I get, these are custom. My conditioner has helped my hair more than anything else. I've tried Olaplex and honestly this one works better.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm being serious. For me, this works so much better for my hair. So we've got my deodorants. There's 2 different brands here. I have Native deodorant and Lumi deodorant. This one I used a long time ago. It's one of the first natural deodorants I used. This helps to stop you from smelling bad, but it doesn't stop you from sweating so much. So now I use Native. This is my choice deodorant. This is my favorite scent, Sweet Peach. Next, I want the yoga mat. What was that for? Okay, next up we've got this yoga mat. That was really nice of you, Ashley.
Yeah.
This is to imply stretching. Stretching has changed my life. I love to do it. I used to be a competitive cheerleader with Ashley. It was a crazy life.
She used to base me and I was her flyer.
But I was one of the most flexible people there because I just really enjoyed flexibility. I find that helps clear my mind. I love to feel like my whole body and all of my muscles are activated. So stretching is a good way of doing that. Next product we have relates to uterus health. So if you have a uterus, this could be for you. My choice of period product is a Diva cup or any type of period cup. Doesn't matter the brand. So I'm going to show you mine. It's very clean. Diva cup. This one is literally like brand new.
It's from June, which has like the cheapest Diva cups. I think it was like $6.
Oh wow, okay, so this is a June menstrual cup. The reason why I use menstrual cups is because they are environmentally a lot more friendly. This is silicone, so it doesn't breed bacteria inside of you. You essentially put it in kind of similar to a tampon, and then the blood just collects inside of here. You pull it out, pour the blood out, wash it out, reinsert it. At the very beginning, it's pretty tough to insert. It took me like 2 hours of like screaming in pain trying to like put this in. It's probably different for everyone. For me, I was like, oh my god, it's not working! After the first couple times, it becomes a breeze. It is so easy to use. It's also more cost effective. Like Ashley said, this one was literally like $6 or something. So instead of buying tampons or pads over and over again, you just buy this once. It lasts like a year, I believe, before you have to replace it. And it stays very clean and sanitary. I know some people get freaked out by the idea of a Diva cup, but
you just boil it.
You boil it in water. It has worked so well for me. I honestly found that my period became less painful and it was shortened once I started using this because I think sometimes there's chemicals in tampons and pads and this obviously has no chemicals. So it's a lot safer to use. I would highly recommend it. If you're old enough and feel comfortable with it, totally go for this option. I really enjoy it. Environmental and cost effective. Is that literally it?
Yeah.
Okay, Diva cup. Period. Next we have got my iPad. Ashley got me this as a Christmas gift because she has her own and it's helped her a lot with YouTube and doing like schoolwork. There's these apps I use called Procreate, which you can draw stuff on. So this is literally an example of one of my YouTube thumbnails, my Starbucks video. And then for my classes, I use this app called Notability. You would not believe the notes I take on this.
They're beautiful.
So this is for my audio techniques class. Look at the little drawings I can do on there for the different types of microphones. Are you kidding me? It is super helpful for me with YouTube and with schoolwork. Continuing with more technology stuff, these are some little phone stands we got. We bought these on Amazon just because there's like so many times there's just so many times where I don't know why I just don't want to hold my phone. So you put this on your desk, stick your phone in it. You can
for
FaceTime
taking TikTok videos.
Oh,
I totally interrupted you.
No, that's true.
Amazing.
You don't realize how much you need this until you buy it, and then you use it all the time. Another technology-based thing is my SSD. This is like an external hard drive. It just gives you more storage on your computer, which is really helpful for me when I have to edit my YouTube videos, because that takes up a lot of storage. So you kind of edit it within this thing. But this here is a real external hard drive, and this is a solid-state drive. This one, the technology inside of it is physical, mechanical, which means that if you drop it on the ground, it breaks and you lose everything. This one is not mechanical.
On this one, there's moving parts, and if something stops spinning, then it's literally done. That one, you can drop a lot more before it ever breaks.
This one is so light. I've literally never dropped it in the first place. This one broke after I dropped it for like the third time. I lost like 10 YouTube videos that I was editing. Yes. It was a disaster. This one I would recommend much more. SSD. Next up, we've got one of my favorite accessories. This is a hair clip that I got from Princess Polly. You probably saw it in one of my most recent videos. This is a claw clip. You twist it up and then you clip it and there's your hair and it looks so much fun. Next up we have got my contacts. These are from Precision One. I've talked about them before. I used to wear glasses a lot when I would drive and then I lost all my glasses. And also contacts are just easier for me to wear because you have them in all day and you forget about them. So this just works a lot better for me. These are some more journals that I own. My other one was a manifestation journal. These ones are to update my life because I just like to write what's going on. It helps me sort things out in my head. My best friend got me these for Christmas. They're monthly journals, so there's 12 in here. This was like the perfect gift. I was like, dude, you don't even know how good this gift is because I love to break things up by months. Next up, we've got some of my favorite albums. I'm not even that into vinyls. It was just more fun to show music in a physical way. So these are the vinyls I have. My favorite artist is Alex G. This is one of my favorite albums, DSU. This is his other album, Rocket. This is Starfucker, Future Past Life, Cocteau Twins, Heaven or Las Vegas, Alex G. Race, Beach Fossils, What a Pleasure. And this is my favorite vinyl to listen to, Rumors by Fleetwood Mac. I would say my favorite album of all time is Beach Music by Alex G. Obviously, music is very important to me. If you want to check out my Spotify, it is Amber Alexander with 2 R's at the end. I have over 300 playlists. I do monthly playlists. There's a lot of things to see there. There's something for everyone. I'm kind of a music geek. I'm kind of a little bit of a music nerd. One of my next essential products are these earrings from Best Dressed Ashley. I love her paperclip style earrings. I wear these most often. They work for every outfit. Next thing I want to show is an app on my phone called Ovia. This is like a period tracker app. I know I was talking about my period earlier. Apparently I get my period in 2 days. That is really awkward. The reason why I like Ovia so much is because you can track so many different things, like your symptoms, your mood. It's just very helpful for all of your general
Puppy health.
And then one of my last things I want to talk about is film photography. I don't know too much about film. I'm not like crazy into it. I just like to do it for fun sometimes. This is a Minolta. I also have a Pentax point and shoot, which is a lot easier. This isn't a point and shoot because you have to focus it manually. Point and shoot, you literally just boop, boop, and so much easier to use. I would highly recommend those. But what I have found recently, I tried out a Kodak disposable camera for the first time, and those are the best pictures I've literally ever gotten. I have a whole video on my channel about film photography if you want to learn more about it, kind of in that video. Nothing too crazy, I just like to take little pictures. And then I believe that is it for my essential products.
Yay!
Oh yeah! I love to look at this pile of objects that mean so much to me. Oh wait, I could have said my Casetify case. Last item, Casetify case, because I drop my phone a lot and this is very protective and cute. And now we're done.
Yay!
Yeah.
Awesome. That was awesome, Amber.
Literally, all of these products are like the most important things in my life. I'm telling you right now. If you have any of your own favorite products that are kind of similar to mine or like vastly different from mine, let me know, because these are so much fun to me. Again, if you want to try out Curology, I have all my links in the description. I would highly recommend that. And I believe that is all for my products. Actually, don't I get in the frame? You like never even came in the video.
Yeah, sure.
I believe that is all for the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I love to show my essential things. And I'll see you again soon.
Peace.
Mwah.